Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Biswajit. Today in this video, I want to share two more important things to make English language easily. So actually, who are new in this field or who are trying to speak in English or trying to write something in English. So if you follow these two steps to make any sentence in English, your all sentence will be correct in this format. So now I am getting my point to explore this thing. Okay, so my first point is that when you speak in Bengali, we at first we use the subject, then we put object and then verb. And in English, when we speak in English or write in English language, the English pattern is at first we put the subject, then we should put the verb and then object. Our sentence, most of the time our sentence become wrong because we don't know the exact pattern of English pattern. We know the Bengali pattern, and we always actually most of the time we follow the Bengali pattern. We put the subject, then put object, then verb. But it is the wrong way to make any sentence in English. So from now you have to put the subject at first, then put the verb and then object. If you follow these two patterns attentively, your all sentence will be correct in English. So when you try to write anything in English language, your all the sentence will be correct if you follow this pattern. So I hope you have got my point, what I wanted to say you. I am saying again, at first our Bengali pattern is subject, then object and then verb, and our English pattern is that at first we put the subject, then verb and then object. Okay, so who are new in my channel, please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will meet you in the next video soon.